Hello and welcome to this MyCredits tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can set up a product offer inside of MyCredits. So once you have your Stripe or your Shopify connected, which you'll need to do that first, we have other videos in our YouTube channel and our blog on how to do this. It's very simple. Once you do that, you just go over here and click, or you can click right here to create an offer. So this is for your paid products. And what we're going to do now is I have a test account, Bob Smith Coaching, so he's an online coach, and we're going to set up his training program as a product. So we'll do Bob Smith Coaching. And right now this is set up on Shopify. It would work the same as for Stripe, so you can just select which service it is. And once you do that, you have to enter the URL of the product. So I want people to click this and go to the actual order page, a sales page for this product. So I'll just go into my Stripe, I would hit view, and then it would take me to the live URL. So once you copy and paste that into this field, there you go. Now this claim offer will link to that page. And the next step is to put a description. So let's just say Bob Smith's coaching program is on sale for a limited time. Grab it now for $97 a month, normally priced at $297 per month, or something like that. Doesn't have to be perfect. Yours has to be perfect, but this is a test, so it doesn't need to be perfect. But you can put as much information here as you want about the product. This is kind of the preview for your customers. The other thing you want to do is put the price of the product. So the product is $97 a month, so I'm going to put 97. If it's a subscription, your customers will get 97 credits a month for this. And if it's a one-time product, they'll just get it a one-time. That's another great thing about subscriptions, is that you're constantly rewarding your best customers for staying in. So it's a great way to keep them in your programs for longer. Additionally, you can also put a expiration date here if you would like. So you could do a limited time offer, and it'll show up to the customers as offer expires, on the date specifically. So I can just go in here and I could choose, let's say next Monday, and then the offer will be expired then. And also, so 97 credits is equivalent to $97. So that's, you put the $97 product in, so it's $1 per one credit. Currently, that's how we're tracking it. That could change in the future. But yeah, that's the gist of it. And the other thing you want to do is add your image. So you can either click here or you can drag in an image. I'm just going to drag one in real quick. And there you go. So now we have, the Bob Smith coaching program. And all I'm going to do is hit confirm. Once it does that, it's going to load up, and now this offer will be showing up in your feed for all your customers. You can then go and set up campaigns and send out a email, different notifications, and now your customers will have that in their dashboard as well, so they can share it out on social media and share that with their network too. So if you guys have any questions, just reach out to support and we'll help you out. Have a good one.